Man, what is going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you from the set. And man, I know, before you even think about it, I know I said I wasn't buying no more Jordan brand sneakers, right? That's what I said. But to my credit, I did buy these before I did the Jordan 11 Gratitudes or DMBs, whatever one you want to call it. But put the raffle in, man. I didn't think I was gonna hit because I was just doing it just to do it, right? And lo and behold, here comes the notification. Bam, got 'em. Okay, we got the Ama Minier Jordan 5s.
You, 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 you.
Look, we trying to do something great here on the set, bruh. We going up, but I need y'all help to keep that upward trend, man. I ain't set no goals this time. No end of the year goals because that's just what it is, man. We ain't setting no goals. We just gonna take it how it go, man. So what I need y'all to do is hit that subscribe button, bro, so we can keep that upward trend, man. And when you're watching these videos, please watch the video all the way to the end. Why? Because that does matter. It does matter on the YouTube grand scheme of things, right? Also need you to hit that like button. And if you don't like the content, man, let me know in the comments, bruh. Hey, look, we trying to build something great, and I can't be great unless y'all give me feedback and let me know what I'm doing right or let me know what I'm doing wrong. Again, bro, I ain't in this for the money. I'm just trying to get a message out. I'm just trying to share what I feel near and dear about, and that's sneakers, electronics, and toys. Back to the video. Yeah, man. So, here's the story about these, right? Again, put the raffle request in, EQL send the email, hey, you should enter this. Entered it. All right, everybody who entered pretty much got the dub on these, right? They're women's exclusive, but they got the larger sizes available, right? So for me, it's 13 and a half women's, right? But I got them in, man, and it took a while. And I think that was the same way with everybody who hit at the Ama Minier EQL raffle, right? And we all know the crazy stuff that's going on with Whitner and social status and money laundering. Yeah, we don't really care about all that. We don't. All we care about is our sneakers being dope. And I got them in, man. And I gotta say, I wasn't 100% wowed on this sneaker. I wasn't. Um, but I am a sucker for details, right? Got the box open, took a look at them. Like, I need a lace swap. So I threw them yellow things in right there, man, to match with the rest of the sneaker. All right, cool. And I don't know, man. This one kind of had to grow on me a little bit. Like I said, I only had them in a couple days. And the more that I look at them, the more I like them. Am I 100% enamored by this shoe? Mm-mm, not at all. But again, I am a sucker for details, man. And with this Jordan 5, it is nothing short of crazy details, right? And you look at that, man. Like, we got details all in the inside of this shoe. Camera probably ain't picking it up. It don't like it, or maybe not. Those are the Alma Near A's inside the sneaker, right? On the webbing here that you have on the Jordan 5, Ama Minier Dawn is what they call them. Those are all the Ama Minier logos in that panel right there. So that webbing all the way up the tongue. Yeah. This shoe is crazy with the details and the fact that we got a raised Nike Air on that butt piece. What we call that right there. Yeah, man. And the raised 23 on the side right there. Yeah. it adds to the subtle details of this shoe. Again, I wasn't enamored by it when I first looked at it, but when I did a lace swap, honestly, it made the shoe pop. And I know this outsole is not popular among a lot of people. It's just not. Like I heard some questions being asked online, like, why am I paying for shoes that's already aged? I don't know. That's just the wave. Everybody seemed to like it. And Nike just gonna keep force feeding it to us until we don't like it no more. The masses still mess with it. So I don't know. Me, I'm old school. I like an icy sole or some other kind of outsole that just don't look aged. But for the aesthetics of this shoe, it actually works. Look at the outsole for both of them. And you can see the level of detail. They took the time out and did their alma mater, which they always do, right? And they flip-flopped it once you go up top here. You got the alma mater logo here on this side, and on the outsole, they have it over here. As if like this, with the Jumpman here, you got the Jumpman on the tongue. Again, the details in this shoe are crazy. You got Michael Jordan's signature there on that one, and you got the alma mater tag on the inside of that one. So, yeah. The one thing I do have not a huge gripe about, but man, why in the world did they stitch this in there? You know how annoying that's gonna be on your foot, walking around with these on, and you have this stitched on there. Like I don't know about y'all, but I can feel everything. I can feel a little piece of lint in my sock when I got on a sneaker, and it's gotta go. I gotta take them off and I gotta get at it. But this, I don't know. I guess it's great. It's a nice subtle hint, but bruh, like it's all the way through too. Like it's not just on the superficial layer right here. It's all the way stitched through. So only time will tell. But my overall thoughts on this sneaker is alright. Like it's not the best pickup I had all year. I see a lot of people, no, I don't want to say a lot. I do see some people out there saying that this is sneaker of the year material. I don't know where they get that from, but it ain't it for me. I'm gonna keep them, but it ain't it for me, man. Yeah, just because I don't have any other Amami years in the collection, the one pair I did have, I sold them because I knew I wasn't gonna wear them. But I am gonna go after the airships just because I don't have any airships in the collection, and I actually like when Amamier does the burgundy. Now on the dusk pair, which is a lot more limited than these were, because these dropped on Amamier, all the boutiques, and they did a drop on sneakers. And I don't know how they did, I don't really care, but the dusk pair is way better because it's black and it has that signature Amamier burgundy color on it. Yeah, I did enter the raffle for those two. Unfortunately, I didn't hit. Those are going to be a lot more limited because they are, I think they're only releasing on Amamier's website. So, yeah, man, you can't win them all, man. You can't win them all. And I actually feel all right by saying that, these do hit different in hand. And most of the time, that's a positive. But this time, not so much for your boy, man. They dope, but they all right, man. But yeah. I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep them. Again, I'm gonna keep them, bruh. Just like I need y'all to keep hitting that like button on the videos so we can pump this out, man, and we can bust this YouTube algorithm wide open, bruh. Because we need that. We got a message here on the set, bruh. And I need y'all help for me to get out there so people can see these honest, non-hype, non-biased reviews on these sneakers, man. So you can save your little change and live to fight another day. So, I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. That's all I got for you today, man. These joints, they meh. I don't know. Maybe I changed my mind. Like, I feel better than I did on Saturday when I got them in the mail. I can tell you that. But Still, right now, not wild. Not at all. But I'm keeping though. I'm gone, folks. Peace.